What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need beef shaved steak, yellow onion, green bell pepper, egg roll wrappers, white American cheese, provolone cheese, seasonal, cayenne pepper, black pepper, Montreal steak seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and Worcestershire sauce. We're going to start by seasoning our beef shaved steak to taste with seasonal, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, Montreal steak seasoning, and Worcestershire sauce. Next, dice yellow onion. Diced green bell pepper. In a skillet, add olive oil, add green bell peppers and onions, and saute until tender. Add steak and cook for 5 minutes or until done. In a bowl, add 1 egg and whisk. Cut American and provolone cheese in half. Brush egg around the edge of your egg roll wrapper, which will help seal the egg roll. Add provolone cheese, American cheese, and beef. Fold the wrapper like an envelope, then roll. Place the egg rolls in the freezer for 30 minutes. Fry egg rolls for 5 minutes or until golden. And there you have it, Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. We hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And remember to tell everybody you know, them in Memphis be cooking.